here and sit down.
Look.
Mark. So before you sit down.
What a huge difference. You could see that, yes? I mean,
yeah.
You notice that. I mean, I'll show you again, then we go back at the end of this, then we'll take a break. Have a look.
Come here and sit down. Mark.
He is moving the whole hips. All his lower back is practically frozen.
Right. Come here and sit down.
Unbelievable.
Mark.
Look at that.
So
he's moving his body weight like a boat. Ooh, you see that? Now let's go back at the end. Notice the freedom, the quality.
Walk fast towards that. Yeah. Go ahead. Fast. Like you're shitting yourself. Fuck, I had to go. Exactly. Come back. You feel different, right? It's like relearning how to walk, but a good way.
Tell me that you're noticing the change.
Yeah, I like this walking thing. You good? Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. Go ahead. What did you do when you were 21? Health-wise? Yoga, jog, gym?
Nothing when I was 21.
You're like grass, vegetating. Okay, I'm full. Enough, son. I'll sleep now. All right. And this is a yes, and this is a no. And I want you to find that sensation even more only in those two hands now. And once you feel it only in the hands tattooed on your left hand, you are going to give me a yes.
What I can tell you is that if the person can have the sensibility to pay attention to his own body in a more constructive way, this person will start to give himself more opportunities to work with his body instead of against it.
After this one session, not only in his body, he started moving smoothly and great, you know, like he hasn't had this back pain since then. Even at work, I would notice how he became more assertive, you know, and to the point that he, you know, for the last two, you know, right after that, he became the lead of a project that before he would not have been able to do that because of whatever he was doing in his mind to stop himself.
It's important to have a certain degree of flexibility and having the skills very much trained so that whatever is going on, you can adapt it. And look, if there is anything that doesn't work in that moment with that person, having the capacity to take a step back and say, oh, wait a second. Instead of doing bad juice in my brain, make it even more powerful. Let's go back to the basics. Let's establish rapport. Let's get this person to feel good about themselves. Because every time they feel like shit, nothing really changes. Have a look now. And all of a sudden, they come up with all different kinds of solutions. So when something is not working, go back to the basics and make sure you dedicate enough time to practice and to train your skills. Yes, techniques need to be done precisely. And you need to have a good degree of flexibility to adapt them to what is going on.